Did you know that one of the most recommended activities for seniors, walking, can actually be harmful if done excessively? It's surprising but true. After 70, your body isn't the same, and overdoing even something as simple as walking could speed up aging. In today's video, we'll explain what doctors are now discovering about walking too much after 70 and how you can stay healthy without overdoing it. Walking has long been praised as the perfect low-impact exercise, especially for seniors. It improves heart health, helps maintain mobility, and boosts mood. But here's where it gets tricky. The body after 70 becomes more vulnerable to stress, inflammation, and wear and tear. Doctors now warn that excessive walking, especially on hard surfaces or for long durations without rest, can accelerate joint degeneration, raise cortisol levels, and even cause chronic fatigue. Dr. Michelle Reynolds, a leading geriatric specialist, explains, after 70, the body's ability to repair itself slows down. Long walks without recovery can lead to micro-injuries, especially in knees, hips, and ankles. Even worse, pushing your body beyond its limit can trigger what doctors call inflammaging, a chronic low-level inflammation that's been directly linked to faster aging. So, how much walking is too much? Experts recommend that seniors over 70 aim for 20 to 30 minutes of light to moderate walking per day, not hour-long strolls, and definitely not pushing through pain. Instead of long daily walks, focus on shorter, gentler walks spread throughout the day. Include light stretching or chair yoga to improve flexibility and reduce joint strain. Also pay attention to where you're walking. Hard pavement can be tough on the joints. Try walking on softer surfaces like grass or a rubber track when possible. And always wear supportive, cushioned shoes. Hydration, post-walk rest, and occasional strength training are also crucial for recovery and preventing muscle loss, which naturally accelerates after 70. So yes, walking is still good, but after 70, quality matters more than quantity. Listen to your body. Walk smart, not long, and give your body time to rest, heal, and thrive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. Until next time, stay wise, stay well,